Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a little while, but I'm back with a vlog this week. I'm really excited because we have very kindly been gifted this 2-night stay at Longthorns, which is the #1 rated glamping site in Dorset, and it's absolutely stunning. So we're really excited to be spending a couple of days here together, getting out into the nature. You know how much I love it. There are so many animals. We've got some really exciting things planned, but yeah, this place has 5 stars on TripAdvisor and it has so many awards. It's got conservation awards. The standards are really high with all the accommodation. There are eco pods that you can stay in. We're staying in a shepherd's hut, which we chose, which is absolutely beautiful, and I'm sure you're going to see it. And there are also teepees that you can stay in. Honestly, it is stunning. The views are amazing. You can do an alpaca walk, which we're going to do tomorrow morning, which I'm really buzzed about. But yeah, it's just nice to get away into the heart of the country really, and just enjoy ourselves. Next door is a place called Monkey World, which is a place that I've been to many a time over my years living down south. It's like the largest ape conservation site, I believe, but it's really nice there. So I don't know whether we'll venture there tomorrow, maybe, but there's also really nice woodland walks around here. So yeah, there's loads to do. We have just ordered some food as well, which is really good. There's a nice fire pit and you can like make a barbecue if you want to, but we didn't really have time today to think about any of that. So there's like an online booking system where you can have a look at the menu. It's really good for vegan options as well, which is an absolute bonus, obviously. And yeah, we just ordered some food and we're going to pick it up later. I think we're both having a burger and chips of some sort, so yeah, that's really exciting as well. But anyways, I'm not going to ramble too much. I'm going to go sit outside now and I will vlog as much as possible whatever we're up to, and I hope you enjoy it.
olives, they only have 3. So they will eat a lot when we go around. If you pull
No,
back
Dad.
trees and things from them, they'll love you.
Oh, wow. There we go. Very nice. Yeah, good. Come on. Come on then, darling. Come on, Isaac. Come on. Well done. Having fun, Zach. Come on, darling.
She's already hungry work. They've had breakfast this morning as well. So before. It's the second breakfast. And when we get back, you guys will give us lunch.
Come on, darling. I hope you can hear me. I am outside, so I'm not really sure how good the sound's going to be. Just wanted to come in with a little update. We've had such an amazing time. We are just waiting for our dinner now, and we had a really nice dinner yesterday, and I am starving, so I'm really excited. I'm having a falafel wrap today with chips and salad. Really high quality food, really good. We made a fire. We're just gonna make a fire again tonight. It's been lovely. Yeah, the facilities are absolutely amazing. Everything is so clean, which is obviously a must. I mean, the views are absolutely incredible. We went on the Alpaca walk today and it was like 2 hours long. Just such an amazing experience. Like, I absolutely love them. I'm such an animal lover, as you know. But yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous, and that was just such a lovely experience, as I said. But yeah, and then we went on a nice walk. There's so many places to walk around here. I said yesterday there is a monkey world next door, but we didn't end up going there today just because it's so lovely here. We just wanted to enjoy where we are. But yeah, like, we've just spent the whole day outside, loads and loads of fresh air. Yeah, overall would really highly recommend staying here. It is absolutely stunning. It's got the best vibes, and just can't really fault it, really. We are going to go home tomorrow, but I'm really going to miss being here because it's absolutely lovely. We've had an incredible time. Thank you for watching the vlog if you did, and I'll see you next time. Bye.